Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to make a carrot based smoothie. This is a very good smoothie, a delicious one. And the mango, adding mango to your smoothie is very good because it's high in vitamin C and fiber. So this one you can serve it in the morning, you can replace a meal. You can use it as a detox recipe, or you can just have it for whenever you want to, or whenever you feel like you want to have a smoothie. So what I have here is a chopped mango, a chopped carrot, some almond milk, and this is some cinnamon, just a little bit of cinnamon to give it like a little bit of cinnamon taste. Okay, so what we have to do is like put first the mango in the blender. Have a little bit here. Okay, put the carrots and almond milk. And at last you put the cinnamon. Okay, so put them in the blender. Have to mix them really good. I think it's enough. Okay, so this is it. You can also add some ice if you are in the summer and it's very hot outside. You can also add some ice and okay. So this is it, guys. Delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.